Welcome to the Wong Reviewer. My name is Will, where I do tech unboxing, tech reviews, and tech tutorials. And in today's episode, I'm going to do an unboxing and tutorial on how to set up the Rode Wireless Go. I'm going to demonstrate the three audio output levels, compare the sound quality between using an internal microphone of the camera and the Wireless Go, and test the signal strength at various distances up to 100 feet. As you're watching and you find the video helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for similar content. Without further ado, let's get to the unboxing and review. Totally destroyed the box there. Comes with a nice neoprene type case. Velcro, where you put your Wireless Go in. Safety manual. The cable that attaches to your mic and the transmitter. It also includes two for a windshield to block out the wind when you're outside. USB-C for charging. Two of them, another one here. Quick start guide. Transmitter, receiver. It's nice and small. And the transmitters themselves. Gives you instructions on how to transmitter, turn on. It has clips. Off the screen protector. Here's a closer look at the Wireless Go microphone. I've been using it for 5 months now, and you can see all the fingerprints are on it. This is a receiver. It has a 3.5mm jack, a USB-C charging port, a dB gain button, and a power button on the top. I'm just going to power it on. You can see the wireless logo up here. When you power it on, it gives you the battery strength, the signal strength, and the dB gain level. When you power on the transceiver, the battery strength appears on the receiver. So now I'm just going to power it on. You can see right away that the battery meter for the transceiver is showing up. There's two lights at the top indicating it's powered on, as well as it's connected to the receiver. Here I'm just cycling through the dB levels. There's 3 dB gain levels, which I will review a later bit in the video. I'm going to actually do a voice sample with the dB gains. And here's a side-by-side comparison. Now I'm just going to click on the microphone, and you can see the meter move as I make some noise. The wireless Rode has a clip that's exactly the same size of a hot shoe mount. The clip you can clip onto a shirt or any object that you want to. And the nice thing about it is it slides nicely into the camera and it's secure. I am not worried at all of it sliding off the camera itself. Here I am just sliding it on. It sits very nicely. And now I'm going to plug the TRS cable into the receiver and into the body of the XT3. The Rode Wireless Go has 3 decibel settings, 0, -6, and -12. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to adjust the setting on the Rode Wireless Go, and we're going to compare the sounds between all 3 settings. All right, so the first one we're going to do, I'm going to change this to 0. So this is at 0. This is at 0. Test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. -6 right here. So now I've adjusted this to -6. Test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. And this is -12. This is the Rode Wireless mic at -12. Test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to compare the sounds and see what the difference is. Here I am outside. I'm going to do a comparison between the internal microphone, the XT3, versus the Rode Wireless mic. I am 3.5 feet away from my camera, and I wanted to catch some ambient noise outside. So I have cars driving by down the street. My kids are playing in the background. There's a slight breeze going by, and I just wanted to see what the sound would like using the internal microphone, the XT3. And here is the sound. Okay, good. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to switch over to the Rode Wireless mic, and then we'll do a comparison. Here I am outside with the Rode Wireless mic. Again, it's 3.5 feet away from the camera. I'm trying to record the different sound with my kids in the background and with traffic in the background on the street as well. So this is what it sounds like using the XT3 with the Rode Wireless mic. Another car is going by. I'm curious to see how it sounds like. All right, so hopefully when we look at this, the sound will be better. Just so you know, I will not be doing any post-sound editing. I'm not going to put any gains on it. And what you hear is straight from the Rode Wireless mic. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a distance one. I'm going to go on the sidewalk. I'm going to do a distance at 5 feet increments to see what the sound like using the internal mic and then with the Rode Wireless mic. And I also wanted to see how far before the signal drops off using the Rode Wireless mic. So that's what I'll be testing right now. Let's give it a shot. Turned off the Rode Wireless mic. I've disconnected it from my camera. And now we're just strictly using the internal microphone of the XT3. So here I am at 5 feet, test 1, 2, 3. Here I am at 10 feet, test 1, 2, 3. Here I am at 15 feet, test 1, 2, 3. Here I am at 20 feet, test 1, 2, 3. Here I am at 25 feet, test 1, 2, 3. And here I am at 30 feet, test 1, 2, 3. I'm pretty sure the microphone does not pick up my voice past 25 feet. All right. Okay. This is the sound. This is the sound signal. This is the Rode Wireless mic at 5 feet. This is the Rode Wireless mic at 10 feet. This is the Rode Wireless mic at 15 feet. The Rode Wireless mic at 20 feet. The Rode Wireless mic at 25 feet. Rode Wireless mic at 30 feet. Rode Wireless mic at 35 feet. Rode Wireless mic at 40 feet. The Rode Wireless mic at 50 feet. The Rode Wireless mic at 55 feet. Test 1, 2, 3. There's sound going by, car sound going by. Rode Wireless mic at 60 feet. The Rode Wireless mic at 70 feet. The Rode Wireless mic at 75 feet. I probably would never shoot this far, but now I just want to see what the distance would look like before the signal drops out. Rode Wireless mic at 80 feet. 85 feet. 90 feet. This is the signal at 100 feet. And this is the signal at 105 feet. Go back. And this is the signal at 110 feet. Right now there's a breeze going by. You can't see it from that far, but there's a breeze going by, and I'm just curious to see how the dead mic is actually, if it's picking it up or not. All right, so that's at 110 feet. I'm gonna walk back to the camera now and see if the signal actually picks up on it. Again, there's no obstructions going through. The sidewalk is nice and clear. That's why I wanted to test it out. So that's some quick demos. As you can hear, there's a big difference in sound quality between using an internal microphone and the Rode Wireless Go. I was pretty impressed with the signal strength. Even at 100 feet, I can still hear great. There was no breakup, and that was fantastic. My overall impressions, the things I like, it's easy to use and set up right out of the box. It's automatically synced. There's nothing I have to fidget with. I like having the freedom to move around my studio while I do unboxing and tutorials without having to worry about wires getting in the way. And the signal strength is great at distance. And it does isolate my voice very well from ambient noises. And the fur windshield they came with did a great job cutting out that breeze outside. The things I don't like, this is minor, but it's my issue. It's a fingerprint magnet. I like to keep my gear clean and scratch free. The transceiver is a bit big and it's hard to hide. If I have to hide it, I would have to attach my PowerDewise Lav mic to it. If you watch my last series of video when I'm using the Rode Wireless Go, I'm always wearing a hoodie or a light jacket, so just so I can clip this thing on. When I try to clip it on just a shirt, it just doesn't stay on properly. It just kind of flops around, and so it's not picking up my voice very well. Overall, I'm pretty happy with using the Rode Wireless Go, and I would recommend it if you're trying to upgrade from your camera internal microphone to an external microphone. Overall, I'm very impressed with it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, like the video, and subscribe to my channel for similar content. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time.